Hi everyone! Today I want to talk about the basics of driving a motorcycle. Driving a motorcycle is a really unusual experience. It is a feeling of complete freedom. However, it is very dangerous, but you can reduce the risk by learning basic motorcycle riding skills. You can hear a lot of advice for beginners on how to start riding a motorcycle. In this video, I want to give only one piece of advice, which can be the most useful advice for you. This tip will help you avoid most of motorcycle riding mistakes that beginners make. So let's start. To begin with, I want to tell my story. When I decided to learn how to ride a motorcycle, I immediately enrolled driving course at a motorcycle school. Before going out on the road for the first time, I took a basic course on motorcycle riding. I was taught by professional motorcyclists and motor sportsmen. I practiced on a safe side, and nothing prevented me from gradually mastering the basics of riding a motorcycle. I trained several times a week. It was a great time. I met many interesting people and like-minded people. Before I started training, I didn't know any motorcyclists. No one in my circle was as passionate about motorcycles as I was. During my studies at motorcycle school, I met a lot of new friends, but the most important thing is that I found a huge support. Support is very important, especially when something goes wrong. After completing the basic motorcycle driving course, I decided to buy my first bike. And guess what? My coaches helped me choose and buy my first motorcycle. I was more than happy to have someone to consult with. After buying a motorcycle, I needed someone to ride around the town and practice my skills, and many students who started with me also needed it. Therefore, almost every evening I met with someone and we rode around the night city. Why am I telling this story? Because I am convinced that community is very important. My biggest tip for beginners is to find motorcycle friends who help you to get started. My next idea is to learn how to ride a motorcycle from professionals at a motorcycle school. Many motorcyclists know how to ride the motorcycle, but very few can very clearly explain the basic principles and teach how to ride motorcycle. It is very important not only practice technique of driving motorcycle, but also to receive correct feedback. It is very important that someone supports give you useful advice in the moment of failure. When I started a motorcycle school, I had several coaches, and each of them had contributed to develop my riding skills. So I want to summarize. If you want to get a comprehensive guide on how to ride a motorcycle, you can read several books or watch hundreds of videos, but nothing works without practice. There are many motorcyclists who start their journey on their own. They learn from their own mistakes without support and guidance, and some mistakes stay with them for life. These mistakes don't allow them to fully enjoy the feeling of freedom while driving. In a motorcycle school, you can identify and correct mistakes, get professional help and advice. In addition, you can get good habits, such as always wearing a helmet and a jacket, and so on. I believe that decision to learn from professionals, it is the best decision for every beginner. How do you learn to ride motorcycles? Write in the comments below. I hope this video was useful for you. Like and subscribe to my channel.